Hey, sorry about that. I had to delete some room here on my USB card. You can see in here we do have an owner's manual for the train, and then of course all your other information as well. Looking up above, of course we have your dome lights, and then of course your courtesy lights here as well. Again, there was no airbag damage, no damage whatsoever to the inside of the vehicle. No, nothing was replaced whatsoever on the inside. It's all still original. You can flip this lever right here, and then your steering wheel will go up and down, and it goes in and out as well. Go ahead and lock that back in. Give us a little heat on our 23-degree day there. Finally getting some heat around here. We'll go for a little test drive. See here, it does have heated mirrors. See, we're doing just shy of 55 miles an hour right now. We're getting in a straight stretch of road. I'll go ahead and I'll let go of the steering wheel. You can see the steering wheel still going straight, and the train here, the vehicle itself, is also going straight down the road. So it runs true. Of course, there's no squeaks, rattles, or squeaks or anything like that. Runs great, drives great, shifts great. Again, it's just as perfect as new can be, other than obviously being in an accident. Still obviously brand new, 131 miles on this train, 2013. See, here we have got our levers. We have your fog lights. Of course, then your light comes on there when you hit your fogs. Here's your headlights, and here, that's obviously all your wipers. And then right here on the end, that's your rear windshield wiper. Do have here in the center console, got your USB port for hooking up your iPod if you'd like to the radio, little storage cubby. We did take this to the alignment shop. We had it, well, they put it on the alignment rack just to make sure everything was true and correct, and they didn't have to make any adjustments whatsoever. So everything's still true and aligned. Of course, it's got over here all your power windows, locks, and mirrors. Of course, all of that's going to work. We'll go ahead and check your windows. So if you have any questions, of course, you know, it brakes. I'm hitting the brakes good and hard right now. And the steering wheel didn't pull. Of course, I wasn't holding on to it. And, you know, it didn't, as soon as I hit the brakes, it didn't jerk one way or another. So it brakes great. So if you have any questions, feel free to email us.